Embryogenesis in neem. Embryogenesis in neem. So it is the diagram of embryogenesis of Neem ula. After fertilization, male and female gametes are fertilized to form diploid zygote. After fertilization, diploid zygote is formed. The diploid zygote is single cell. The diploid single cell participated in the mitotic divisions to form 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells. The 8 cells are arranged in the 2 tiers. 8 cells are arranged in the 2 tiers. Upper tier cells are called suspensor cells. Upper tiers 4 cells are called suspensor cells. Lower tier 4 cells are called embryonal cells. During the development of these embryogenesis of Neem, the primary suspensor cells are 4. They are enlarged into tube-like structure and they participated in the divisions. They develop into secondary suspensor cells. Primary suspensor cells are also tube-like structure. During the development of embryo, the primary suspensor cells are participated in the transfer division. They develop into secondary suspensor cells. At end of each suspensor cell, 4 embryonal cells are present. Each embryonal cell participated in the division. Like it participated in the division to form 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, 16 cells, mass of cells. The mass of cells are developed into embryo. 4 embryonal cells develop into 4 embryos. From these 4 embryos, any one of embryo develop into complete plantlet. Remaining embryos are degenerated or disappeared. They supplies nutrients to developed or matured embryo. It is the embryogenesis of Neem. See from the beginning once again. After fertilization, diploid zygote is formed. The diploid zygote is single cell. It participated in the mitotic division to form 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, 16 cells. The 16 cells are arranged in the 2 tiers. Upper tier cells are called suspensor cells. Lower tier cells are called embryonal cells. Suspensor cells are 4. Embryonal cells are also 4. Suspensor cells are enlarged into tube-like structure. At end of each suspensor cell, 1 embryo cell is present. Total 4 embryonal cells are there. 4 suspensor cells are there. At end of each suspensor cell, 1 embryonal cell is there. That embryonal cell participated in the mitotic division to form 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, again mass of cells. During the development of these embryonal cells, primary suspensor cells elongated into tube-like structure, as well as they participated in the transfer division. They develop into secondary suspensor cells. Primary suspensor cells participated in the transfer division. They develop into secondary suspensor cell. At end of each suspensor cell, embryonal cells are developed into embryo. That embryo develop into plantlet. By the fertilization, single zygote is formed. the single zygote develop into 4 embryos. In the diagram, only one embryo is given. 4 embryos are developed. From these 4 embryos, any one of embryo develop into complete plantlet. The remaining embryos are degenerated or disappeared and supplies food material to matured embryo. It is the embryogenesis of Needham. Embryogenesis means development of embryo from the zygote, called embryogenesis.